Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we are making an appetizer recipe, fried mozzarella cheese balls. Let me show you the recipe. Start by seasoning with salt and pepper 2 eggs and using a fork beat them well. Now it's time to give our mozzarella balls some flavor. Finely chop 2 fresh rosemary leaves and combine them with 50 grams breadcrumbs. Dip 300 grams mozzarella cheese balls first in 50 grams of all-purpose flour, then the egg, then the breadcrumbs. Do the same for all the balls and set them aside on a plate. This appetizer recipe is so easy to make and so delicious. I really love these crispy little balls of molten cheese. Moving back to the recipe, in a small saucepan with high sides, heat some vegetable oil over medium heat. Working in small batches, drop the balls into the hot oil and let them fry to a golden brown for about 10 seconds or so. Lift them out with a slotted spoon and place them on a paper towel to remove the excess oil. Serve them hot with your favorite marinara sauce for dipping. I hope you'll try this recipe because you won't regret it. Share, comment, like and subscribe if you enjoyed my recipe, and I'm waiting for your suggestions of what other recipes you would like to see on my channel. Till next time, bon appétit!